Now these are all very simpler questions, sir. First thing I am again saying you people, which I told in some time before also in one of the problems, don't get carried away by looking at these bigger numbers. My god, what is this here? Power is 1019. 1019 is a very big power. How can I calculate? Don't get carried away by looking at such numbers. They will just give you such kind of numbers for you to get confused. That's the only thing they will do it in the examination. Now see here, it's very simple, sir. This term is p power 1019. This term is also p power 1019. Whatever they are asking you in the question is also p power 1019. And the denominator in the question also is p power 1019. Everywhere that the same term. Simplest thing to do is make that p power 1019 as some other variable x. If I make it as x, then this equation becomes x minus 1 by x is equal to 10. It's very easy, sir. X minus 1 by x is 10. And whatever they are asking you to find, then it becomes x plus 1 by x is equal to question mark. This is a very easy question. Whenever you know x minus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x is plus or minus square root of k square plus 4. Because why it is plus 4? Because it is x plus 1 by x that we are finding. K square is 10 square, 100 plus 4. Answer for this question is square root of 104. The most easiest question that you can get. But what students will think, it's the most difficult question because you have 1019 as a power, right? Don't just get carried away by looking at bigger numbers in the power, right? See the next question. Next question is actually easy. It is actually very easy. Now see here, sir. Can I say that p power 85 is what I have here? This is p power 85. This also is p power 85. The other value, okay, denominator in the asked part is also p power 85. The only other value is p power 170. Now p power 170, I can say it as p power 85 whole square, because a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So it is p power 85 into 2. It is p power 170 itself. That means if I call p power 85 as x or any other variable, then this question, the given condition becomes x plus 1 by x is equal to 20, right? X plus 1 by x is equal to 20. The asked condition becomes p power 170 is nothing but it is x power 2. So x square minus 1, x square minus 1 divided by x is what they are asking. Or in simple language, instead of making it as x square minus 1 divided by x, I can also further simplify that as x square by x is x minus 1 by x. Is it not easy, sir? You know the value of x plus 1 by x as 20. Indirectly they are asking you to find the value of x minus 1 by x. Is it not easy? It is the most easiest thing. But unfortunately we feel that it is very difficult because the question has some bigger numbers and you feel that how can I find the power of such huge numbers. X plus 1 by x is 20. X minus 1 by x is plus or minus square root of 20 square, that means 400 minus 4. Why it is minus 4? Because question is asking you for x minus 1 by x. So it is minus. Answer finally is square root of 396, which is nothing but, square root of 396 can be further simplified as square root of 360 or square root of 36 into 11. 36 into 11 is nothing but 396. Square root of 36 is 6. So it is finally 6 root 11, which is nothing but option B. Now if you observe carefully, question number 48 is nothing but directly they are asking x minus 1 by x given, x plus 1 by x is how much. Similarly, question number 49 is also same like that. X plus 1 by x is given, x minus 1 by x is how much. But instead of directly asking you like that, they are putting some bigger numbers and probably they are making you to get get little confused. That is the only thing they are trying to do. But don't get confused. Very calmly you can solve all these questions if you know the concept. And we are not in first or second problem. We have just solved question number 49. So much of practice we have done in last 49 questions, right? See the next question, sir. Beautiful, all these things are beautiful questions, but they are very, very simpler question. Now, in simple way, suppose for example, I have 3 divided by root 3. Right, 3 divided by root 3. This you should know it, sir. But I am just explaining you for if you don't know. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 because root 3 whole square is nothing but 3 itself. Divided by root 3. So, 3 divided by root 3 can be written in the numerator itself as root 3. Right? Getting the point, right? Similarly, here also, p divided by root pq. P divided by root pq. P divided by root p. It is root p in the numerator and root q is in the denominator. So finally it is root of p divided by q, right? Similarly, plus q divided by root pq. Q by root q. It is root q in the numerator and in the denominator you have root p, right? In the denominator you have root p, right? In the denominator you have root p. Now that is what is left hand side. That is what is left hand side. Right hand side is 2 into root 10. Right hand side is 2 root 10. Simple. Now, can I say that, okay, let me simplify this particular part also. What is that they are asking? P by root pq is once again root p divided by q. Whole root of p by q minus q by root pq. It is whole root of q by p. That means, can I easily say like this? Instead of considering this under square roots and getting confused, this is nothing but if I call it as x. If I call this as x plus this is the reciprocal of the first term, that becomes 1 by x. That means they are giving you x plus 1 by x value as 2 root 10. They are giving you x plus 1 by x value as 2 root 10. If x plus 1 by x value is 2 root 10, then x minus 1 by x is what they are asking. X minus 1 by x is what they are asking. Very simple, sir. Once again, it is exactly similar to question number 48 and 49. X plus 1 by x is 2 root 10. X minus 1 by x is how much? So, x minus 1 by x. This is nothing but plus or minus square root of k square minus 4. Why minus 4? Because question is asking you for x minus 1 by x. K square is 2 root 10 whole square. That means it is 4 into 10. 40 minus 4 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. And this is how beautifully you can solve all the questions, and that too within seconds. If you have understood the first 50 problems what we have solved till now, and I personally believe that you have learnt all these shortcuts in the most beautiful way possible, and this should take maximum 3 to 4 seconds, or the worst case scenario maximum 10 seconds in your examination hall to solve these varieties of questions. I hope till this first 50 questions no student is having any issues, and I believe that you will also understand the further questions in the most easiest way possible.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. AMC.